Calm down now. What the?
Ziato. Just hold on. How do I?
You look okay already.
Wait, I don't look okay yet. Wait. Let's be honest. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jerry. Happy birthday to you. I'm short of words now, and I spent all night growing this cake to come and give it to you this morning, the day of your birthday. I just want to show you how much I love you, and I wish that this year would be the best year yet. And I pray that the blessings of God will be bestowed upon you this year. In Jesus' name, amen. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. So let's go ahead and eat it now.
Thank you. Guy, calm down now, eh? Now because of you, this babe wake me early, Momo, say me could go and do surprise for you. At least be generous enough to allow us to come in.
But I just said thank you.
Yes, you said thank you, but... Thank you.
I just said thank you.
Yes, but... Guy! Are you serious?
Really? He's coming back.
Huh?
Okay.
I don't know. I'll talk to him later. Let's go.
I know you'd be shocked at my reaction. I know you'd be wondering what brought about this. But trust me, I was never like this. I know the definition of love. I appreciate true love. But something brought about these changes in me. Maybe I should seize this moment to tell you how it all started. I am Adedimeji Azeez, and this is my story.
Happy birthday to you, dear best friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you.
You know, you were one of the best things that has ever happened to me. I thank God we crossed paths. Thank you for the gift of true friendship.
My head is swelling.
Honestly, Ayobami, thank you.
I'm crying.
Now you know it's your big day. Why not let's paint the town with all the colors of the rainbow?
Thank you.
Adedimeji, she also mean a lot to me.
Guys, I try to arrange those babes. You know, say the party no go sweet. I say it. So, guys, once the celebrant gets here, I want us to just assist my guy. You know, no support him. You grab because don't. Let's say that. Yeah, you can come in. Calm down, just Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. So guys, before the party starts, you know, I want the supposed boyfriend to just say one or two things, you know. Come on, talk.
There's really nothing much to say. Okay. Happy birthday to you, Ayobami. She happens to be one of the most amazing persons that has ever come into my life. So, I wish you the very best in life. Let's cut the cake, please.
All right. So we'll cut the cake by spelling Ayo. Are we good?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! A-Y-O! Happy birthday! Music! Hey!
They wanna see me go down. Everyone rock, but it don't go down. Yeah, I love it, I am moto. Yeah, want to back way, me only ramoto. Yeah. Born to 1990, 1990, 1990, 1990, 1990, born to 1990, 1990, born to 1990, 1990, 1990, 1990, born to 1990, 1990. They go say I don't be a woman. They go say I don't be pinky. They go say I don't be a woman. Toba joga lede, toba joga lala. Ma fela ni baby. Toba mejo mi lo le alawo.
So, I hope you like the little surprise.
Yeah, it's okay. It's nice.
You sure? So, do you have any birthday wishes?
Yeah, well, I'm not sure it's something you want, so I'll just keep it.
Name it.
No,
Just say whatever it is.
do you have anything to say?
A lot on my mind. I don't just feel like this is the right time.
Spill it.
So,
Dubai, Miami, Ramoto fún mama mi, yeah, mama mi. They go say I don't be a woman. They go say I don't be pinky. They go say I don't be a woman.
Well, I danced with them. My whole love party was very full. It was fun. Like, babe, did you notice one guy at the party?
Which
very
one?
Tall, big eyeballs, you know.
Yes, I think
It was
Adedimeji's friend, right?
Yes, it was
I
actually
did
the
notice
hottest guy at the
him.
party. I was like, literally, I name.
I'm
like,
not
damn.
interested in him. I'm interested in Adedimeji.
Hey, my baby. Hey. Bamsy. Birthday girl. Bamsy, Wild West.
Sit down.
Big girl in town.
Choke.
Biggest girl. I mean,
What have you guys been talking about?
hey, big girl. Congratulations. I'm actually very happy for you. I'm extremely happy for you. Like,
What?
this is your boyfriend now. He likes you a whole lot.
Like is
whole
an
lot.
understatement. Calm down.
Okay.
Like is not even there.
Give me the one.
This guy loves you.
loves.
Stop.
He
Look at
loves
the
you.
gifts and everything he showered you with for your birthday.
Everything.
Man, this guy
God
loves
when.
you. God, whenever you're ready, I am ready.
God wellness.
You guys are talking about Adedimeji.
Yes, now.
Oh,
Adedimeji con.
Ayobami.
Ayobami. Best couple in town.
Period.
To bust your bubble.
Which bubble have they
bubble?
not busted?
Bubble
We
that's
know
already
you guys
busted.
are. You know you guys are.
Okay. She said we should chill.
Okay.
Ma?
Well, the thing is, Adedimeji and I are just friends.
I don't understand.
You say?
Seriously, we are just friends.
Of course, yeah, we know boyfriend and girlfriend, right?
Yes.
That's not what I mean.
Okay.
Like, we are just friends.
As in friends, friends, you know? Yeah, and you know?
Hey! Oh, wow, all this friendship.
It be things.
I don't understand. But
It be things.
anyway. Well, it's on my own side though. It's better for me because now I have the time to, shoot my shot at Adedimeji.
Hello?
Yes.
Shot shooter.
I'm going to make sure he sees this.
Olosho. That is what Olosho near. Olosho Achewo.
You guys, it's late somehow. You guys, are you not going on?
I don't understand.
So because you spoke about Adedimeji and you want to chase me to
That's
my
not
house.
the issue. That's
So
not
what
what
is
happened.
the
I'm just
issue?
like, it's late and I would like to have, just privacy, just me.
Privacy on your
with you.
birthday.
I don't understand.
Like,
Mazo.
it's late, like...
See, whether you have privacy or not, I will take Adedimeji. Because let's go.
I'm hungry again.
Should we check the kitchen?
Yes, let's go.
Or you want to send us out? We should be going to
You guys
our
go
house.
home now.
Why do you want to send us out now? Because of Adedimeji. Oh yeah, let's go. No problem. I will go.
They've locked our gate.
No, let's go. Let's leave her alone. Because of Adedimeji, no problem.
Hey.
You wouldn't even let the phone ring at all.
Because I was expecting your call.
Really? And why is that?
I wanted to thank you for today.
But you could have called though.
I wanted you to call me.
It's alright.
I had fun today. I mean, loads of fun. And you did that. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, you're welcome.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm just happy you had fun. Ayobami, you know you're my best friend, right?
Yes.
And we've been friends for a long time. I mean, I just want you to...
Are you okay, Deja? Is everything alright?
Nothing. I just want you to have a good night. We'll talk about it later.
Okay. Alright.
Only voice call, no, let him man learn. If you're sure of your battle skills, let's text on WhatsApp.
Okay.
You know, see now me be the king of savage replies now. Yeah, now my dear opponent, come and finish the battle on WhatsApp.
Wow.
Go to your phone, Jerry.
Yeah. Guy, wetin dey do you? Why you dey for?
I don't even know, Jerry.
Come on, you don't know what? You like this babe. Ever since I've known you, you've liked her, and I've known you for a very long time. So why are you holding back?
Do you want to face it again? Oh, mojú ò mọ́ra o. Ládùn tó dé báyìí. Nígbà yẹn. So o tún fẹ́ kí irú ẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ. Oko garu ń ṣàkọsí èèyàn gidi tó wẹ̀wá. Wèrè tó lóun dúró dè, bóyá wọ́n ti behead ẹ̀, bóyá wọ́n ti fún ní life imprisonment, bóyá ó ti ẹ̀ ti ṣàkóso ibi tó wà tó ti di junkie. We don't even know. Ó wá jókòó síbi ìbà, ó lóun jókòó dé idiot. Tí ò wà fruitful, èèyàn gidi wẹ̀wá ò dúró. Wo bí? Ọmọ tó bá ní ìyá wọn ò ní sùn, òun gan ò ní blink o.
Karen, get inside.
Karen, sit back there. I am your grandmother. Sit down. You need to learn from our mistakes so you don't do the same thing, okay? And whenever she says get up and I say sit down, you sit down. I am your grandmother. I am her mother. She does not have any rights.
Yes, ma'am.
So learn from our mistakes.
But mommy, she Karen ló rojọ́ fún ipò ọkùnrin wa mi wálé ni.
Ó mọ̀ pé mi máa ń pè, kàn pé lẹ́jọ́ wẹ́wẹ́ lè mi. Yeah, lẹ́jọ́ wẹ́wẹ́ ni mí. So ìgbà tí mo pè ló ti rojọ́ fún mi. Read my lips. O ní advantage before December. Tí December bá kọjá, tí mi ò mú aṣọ, tí mi ò sin ẹrí ilé ọkọ, ṣe bó máa lọ motherless home. O máa lọ visit now. Regard yourself as one. Forever! O gbọ́ mi àbọ̀ o gbọ́? Forever! Aláìní ronú. Are you looking at me? Are you eyeing me? Are you? Idiots. Fool as in fool. Idiots. Karen, sure you are still on me weekend.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll call me. I don't drive a car. Go down.
Are you okay? Why are you calling my name? Eh? Over there, dead Bajuni. In contact with
See, guy, anytime I plan to tell her, I always chicken out.
Why not?
Man, I don't know. Maybe I'm not just confident enough.
Bro. Or you're just scared of rejection. Huh?
Rejection. That babe will never reject him. You don't understand. He likes her, and I'm 100% sure that she likes him too. The responsibility falls on him to ask her out.
But why though? Why can't she ask me out?
Hmm?
I did dream, Abby.
But to be honest, you're right. But honestly, not all girls has that courage to actually walk up to a guy and, you know, ask the guy out. Not especially when she's not sure about your feelings. I mean, maybe she's just waiting for you to say it once.
Don't mind him. He's not man enough. You know if he be like me. See, the first time with me, I jammed this my babe.
Odo Green self! Odo Green self! Good day!
Don't mind him. So, bro, see, this game.
I want to come up for you.
You snooze there, you lose. Alaye, go follow her talk.
Go talk to her.
Nah, two not even fit.
I don't give you advice, so if you like, follow her.
Oh my God.
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Do you want anything to drink? Or?
No, I don't want.
Okay. We'll be on our way in a minute or two. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Good job.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Why? Why do you ask?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You look restless somehow.
Nah. But maybe.
But you wanted us to go for a date?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you okay?
Totally. Can I talk to you?
Sure.
There's something I've been meaning to tell you. I don't know if this is the right time. Yeah? See, I know we're best friends, that I know.
Yes.
See, ever since I met you, I've cherished every moment we've had together.
I know.
You're like one of the best things that has ever happened to me.
You always said that.
I've always said that.
Yeah.
See, I know we are best friends, but I don't know if there's the possibility of a lifetime as best friends, like best of friends, if there's anything like that. See, I want you to be my lover. Don't know.
Well, the thing is, I have always wanted more.
Really?
I wasn't just sure of your feelings.
Now you're sure? Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Jerry, get yourself together, man. Doesn't come that easy. Doesn't come that easy. Let's get this right. So here's the thing. Hey, Ayobami. I'd like you to be my lover. Come on, that's not how it's done. Okay. Hey, Ayo, ever since our paths crossed, we've created great memories together. And I'd like us to make that a lifetime one. I know you're my best friend, but like, lifetime best friends, I would want you to be my lover. And then she goes, oh, Deja, I've been waiting for this all along. And then we, yeah, that's it. It's on. Phone. Hey, Ayobami. Are you busy? I'd like to see you. I have something to tell you. Yes, our regular spot. See you then. Game on.
Shay, you dey mad? No, for you, Shay, you dey mad? Shay, you dey mad? You dey mad? Shay, you dey no. You know, say I leave. You say make I bring the. Okay, you want the smoke?
I don't tell you. I don't.
You know, say no be your fault. Be all this matter. No man, no be your fault. Be all this matter. Na Ibile cost am. If no be say na Ibile bring you come outside now. I tell you say make you come meet. Shay, you know the part where I want to introduce you to last night. Shay, you know how much I lose last night like this.
Now the same Ibile wey you dey talk so send me something. Send me the iPad.
Guy, at this point, one thing about my life, say you go pick one thing. Shay! Hey! Accident! Jay! Accident! Jesus! Hi, I'm dead. Madam! Hey, somebody please help me! Somebody help me, please! Help me, please! Oh!
Oh, I don't like this man, babe.
Please help me.
I don't like
Please
this
help me.
man,
Jesus. Oh God. Jesus. Hey. I don't come. Doctor! Emergency! Nurse! Stretcher! Close your eyes. Stretcher now! Stretcher!
Hello, Ayobami. My goodness. What happened to your line? I've been trying to reach you ever since. I'm at your gate. I didn't meet you at our usual spot. Please give the phone back to the owner. I don't know who's speaking. An accident? How? Where? Where? Hiria. Good afternoon. We heard an accident victim was brought here. A lady, average height. She's dark. So can we see her?
No, you can't. See beside the man, he's the one who brought her. Yes, he brought her to the hospital. Sorry, sir. She'll be fine.
Get the file ready, please. Thank you. Yeah, how are you? Is any of our relatives there yet?
Yes, sir. Your uncle, the other one, sir.
Okay, good afternoon. Please, how are you two?
I'm like the closest person to a relative she has. So, we're friends.
Okay, then let me see you in the office, please.
Doctor, please forget about the office. Can we have this conversation here? Is she fine? Is she okay?
Okay, the thing is, man proposes, but God disposes. We tried our best, but our best is not just enough. I'm sorry. Once you're done with this, just let me
know. Jare, please!
Now you see what brought about the changes in me. This is not a fiction. This is my story. I should have told her how I feel. Why did I not tell her? Now she's gone and my feelings are forever buried inside me. What can I do than tell my story? Tell that person how you feel about them today, because tomorrow, they say, is never promised.
Ṣé àwọn party táwọn celebrities ṣe tí inú wọn dùn torí pé àwọn máa party ṣe. Mo fẹ́ rubbish wọn. Mo fẹ́ yẹ̀yẹ́ wọn torí bí mo ṣe wà. Celebrity ni mí láyé ara. I can see. Public figure ni mí. So mo fẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé èèyàn kan wà kò fún ọ̀rọ̀ lá lórúkọ ẹ̀. Ṣọ́rọ̀ mi yé yín. Ṣé rí best event center ni mo fẹ́ lò. The best vendors ni mo fẹ́ lò. Mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo àwọn bloggers everywhere Tunde Edna to Gossip Me lo, Insta blog o, Gist Lover gbogbo pátápátá ni mo fẹ́ kó gbé òkú mọ́ mi mi ko.
So ali organize ka be a college challenge. So challenge ali ṣe lórí TikTok or ka ṣe lórí IG, you understand? Ali ní okay bóyá everybody bóyá ko lo ma ṣe kọ́kọ́ ṣe burial pé bóyá àwọn kú àbí kọ́kọ́ give opinion pé tí àwọn bá kú kí la wọ́n lè ṣe, you understand? Just one crazy thing pé kò sí nǹkan immoral ló ń wé ní sí lórí social media. A ko ma ṣe ko te pé ẹ ma trend, wọ́n dẹ̀ ma ṣe hashtag, wọ́n ma fi ko fo la nǹkan ma fi síbẹ̀.
Ó ma dárúkọ mi.
Ẹ ma so we Gist Lover ń sin agbe.
Ẹ wo, ẹ jẹ́ ká get straight into kini.
I'm done with this line of conversation.
No. We are not done until I say so. Ṣó gbádùn eré tẹ́ jọ ṣe lórí bed.
Èmi àti Ògòrò ṣe eré kankan lórí bed. A ṣe lórí ìdúró. A ṣe lórí ìkúnlẹ̀. Mo ti rẹsẹ̀ kan. Ó pọ̀n mí síwájú. Ó rì mí bọnú. Mi jacuzzi. Ìgbà tá a ṣetán ní balùwẹ̀. Ó mú mi lọ sínú private spa. Ó fi òróró òyìnbó wọ́ mi ní gbogbo ara. Ó dà omi sí ara mi. Ó fi àwọn ńlá gbogbo oríkèéríkèé ara mi. Ìgbà tó mú àwọn débi ìtàn mi, gìrì gbé mi. Mo pariwo. Ó fi mí sílẹ̀. Ara mi wálẹ̀.
Ṣé mo pé tí mo bá sọ nǹkan tó wà lọ́kàn mi fún yín, ẹ nígbà mi gbọ́.
Kí ló dé tí mi ò ní gbà yín gbọ́? Ẹ sọ má gbà yín gbọ́.
Ó wù mí kí èmi àti yín máa fẹ́ra wa.
Ká máa fẹ́ra wa. Kí lẹ rí?
Nǹkan tí mo rí pọ̀. Mo rí ìṣesí yín. Ìhùwàsí yín. Ìrìnsẹ̀ yín. Àti pàápàá jùlọ bẹ́yìn fúnra yín ṣe máa ń wò mí. Ó jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé ẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi, ẹ kàn lè sọnù.
Ẹ kú àkíyèsí. Ẹ parọ́ o. Láyé Ànábì wa Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Kádíjà náà dẹnu kọ́ òun fẹ́ fẹ́. Ó dẹ̀ gbà. Láyé Ọ̀rúnmìlà ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ obìnrin ló bá sọ̀rọ̀ tí ó kọ̀ sí lẹ́nu. Jésù nìkan la gbọ́nú tọ̀ pé ó fẹ́ yàwó. Ṣẹ́rí èmi náà nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Àmọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ yín àti ìgbéyàwó tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe lọ́sẹ̀ kan sísìn báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ ṣe yẹn?
Èmi mà ti sọ fún yẹn pé mi ò fẹ́ mọ́.
Kí ló dé?
Nítorí pé ẹ wù mí náà ni.
Allahu Akbar kabira. Mo wù yín. Pé ẹni fẹ́ mi tọkàntọkàn. Dénúdénú. A jẹ́ wípé ó yí Ọlọ́run yẹn bí orúkọ mi. Ó yí Ọlọ́run.
Ọkàn mi ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá balẹ̀ báyìí ni. Ọkàn mi ti balẹ̀ pé èròǹgbà mi ti padà wá sí ìmúṣẹ.
Kí lè èròǹgbà yín o?
Ibi báyìí ni màá sùn lálẹ́.
Allahu Akbar. Ibi lẹ máa sùn.
Ibi kọ́, inú yàrá yín gangan, lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì yín.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Ogunlọlá o, awo yanu ni.
Ó ṣe orí mi wú. Àìrọ́ kò yẹ kó rí mi wú o. Rubbish là ń ṣe, kò yẹ kó rí mi wú o. Ó yá kú Ogunlọlá.
Àṣọ ìdákúdà ni kẹrẹ̀wú dá ìgbàkúgbà lẹ̀ túbà ibẹ̀ ló ti yìnbọn ibẹ̀ ni wàá ti yìnbọn.
Ìdákúdà ni kẹrẹ̀wú dá ìgbàkúgbà lẹ̀ túbà. Irọ́ mọ́ ti kú. Mọ́ ti kú kò ojú ẹ̀ kò wá dáadáa mọ́ ti kú. Mo jí padà. Ó ti jí. Ẹ̀mọ̀ṣọ́ jí padà. Sanwó. Itú méje tán lè máa panu gbó. Wọ́n máa pa fẹ́mi kìíní lónìí. Èmi Sanwó Ògúnlọlá. Òní ni ń pọ̀. Èmi ọmọ tó sọ ó kú náà ni.
Mo ti kú lẹ́ẹ̀kan ní kí n máa tì.
Ó yá padà kú.
Itú méje tán lè máa panu gbó. Ó yá pa fẹ́mi kìíní sí ìgbìrì ẹ̀. Sanwó Ògúnlọlá o. Mo ní kó má ṣe olóò máa ṣe. Sanwó Ògúnlọlá o. Mo ní kó má tó èmi lẹ́mọ̀ṣọ́ olóò máa tó èmi lẹ́mọ̀ṣọ́. Ó yá ilé ìwọ.
Owó la máa ṣe kò lè.
Ẹ wo sáà, ní ti tèmi ẹni tó ṣe lé ó dájú o. Ó dájú. Èmi dẹ̀rẹ́ òfin tèmi ni pé tí ẹ̀dìyẹ bá dà mí lógun nù, mo máa fọ́ lẹ́yìn ni. Tẹ́yẹ bá strong bí àpáta, mo máa crack ẹ̀sà. Ẹ wọ ọ̀gá, èmi mọ Ṣàngó o. Ṣàngó ní kẹjẹ́ ká bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ o. Ajá máa má là ní Ṣàngó. Ẹ jẹ́ ká karọ́ Ṣàngó sẹ́ni tó jí owó yẹn náà. Ó máa pàdà ló máa fọ́ gbónú ẹ̀yà ni.
Sorry o, ìjọ tí Ṣàngó bá pẹ́ nìyẹn, báwo lèmi ṣe fẹ́ rí 500 million tèmi?
Yes. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà wò sá Mr. Ṣàngó.
Okay, ó dàbí ẹni wípé wọ́n ní tó bá pa nǹkan tó jí yẹn ó máa gbé sí láyà.
A gbé gbogbo 500 million naira lé láyà. You are too fetish.
Do you want to face it again? Oh, mójú ò mọ́ra o. Ládùúrú tó dé báyìí. Nígbà yẹn. So o tún fẹ́ kí irú ẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ. Ó kó gàrú ń ṣàkọ sí èèyàn gidi tó wẹ̀ wá. Wèrè tó lóun dúró dè, bóyá wọ́n ti behead ẹ̀. Bóyá wọ́n ti fún ní life imprisonment. Bóyá ó ti ẹ̀ ti ṣàkó síbi tó wà tó ti di junkie. We don't even know. Ó wá jókòó síbi bá ó lóun jókòó dé idiot. Tí ò wà fruitful, èèyàn gidi wẹ̀wọ̀ ò dúró. Wo bí? Ọmọ tó bá ní ìyá wọn ò ní sùn. Òun gan ò ní blink o.
Karen, get inside.
Karen, sit back there. I am your grandmother. Sit down. You need to learn from our mistakes so you don't do the same thing, okay? And whenever she says get up and I say sit down, you sit down. I am your grandmother. I am her mother. She does not have any rights.
Yes, ma'am.
So learn from our mistakes.
Ọmọ mi ṣé Karen ló rojọ́ fún ipò ọkùnrin wa mi wá lé ni.
Ó mọ̀ pé mi máa ń pè kàn pé lẹ́jọ́ wẹ́wẹ́ lè mi. Yẹ́ ẹlẹ́jọ́ wẹ́wẹ́ ni mí. So ìgbà tí mo pè ló ti rojọ́ fún mi. Read my lips. O ní advantage before December. Tí December bá kọjá, tí mi ò mú aṣọ, tí mi ò sin ẹrí ilé ọkọ, ṣe bó máa lọ motherless home. Man, no visit now. Regard yourself as one. Forever. Ogbo mi abo ogbo. Forever. Allah ni ronu. Are you looking at me? Are you eyeing me? Are you? Idiots. Fool as in fool. Idiots. Karen, ṣé o yín bọ̀ á sọ́dọ̀ mi weekend?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ọkọ mi. Màá rán driver kó wá gbé. Ó dà o.
Are you okay? Why are you calling my name? Eh? O fẹ́ jẹ́ ìdí ẹgbàájú ni? Nǹkan tí àwọn orí ẹ̀.